Job as a recruiter or your own recruitment agency? An answer that you will find out by the end of this video. So here they are, future recruitment stars. Ever wondered if you should start your own recruitment agency or get a job first to learn the ropes? Then you are not alone. This is a question I get almost every single day or every single week, and I'm here to help you make the right choice. Let's dive in. Did you know that the average tenure in the recruitment sector is just 3 months? That's right. Most people quit within 3 months. Shocking. It was to me when I knew that, came to know about it. But why is that? Let's explore and let's break it down. Working for an agency has its perk. It is a great way to learn the basics and get a steady paycheck. So every first of the month, you have a paycheck in your hand. But here's the catch. They won't teach you everything. Agencies often focus on making money for the company, not necessarily on your personal growth or on their personal growth. You'll be expected to grow their CRM, make cold calls, and build their brand, often feeling like a cog in the machine. So, what are the disadvantages? Limited learning, slower career growth, and potentially feeling undervalued. However, some agencies do provide mentorship, but it's rare. They fear you might get too good and leave to start your own agency, taking clients with you. It's a real concern in the industry. Now let's talk about starting your own agency. It's a low-cost startup with potentially high rewards. You are your own boss and you get to keep 100% of your earnings. And why give away a huge chunk of your commission to someone else? You don't need to. The recruitment industry is evolving, and gone are the days when big agencies rule and you thought that, okay, since you are starting small, you cannot serve the companies or the corporations, the demands of the companies or the clients. Today, the trend is moving towards small, specialized, boutique recruitment agencies. So specialized teams of top billers who make over 100K a year. Yes. Imagine this. A tight-knit team of experts, each specializing in their niche, all making significant earnings and working together seamlessly. Sounds amazing, right? This is the future of recruitment. No more being stuck in a giant corporation with minimal growth opportunities. A 10%, 20%, 30% a hike, or some commissions or some incentives? No, that's not for you. And here is a stat for you. Small specialized recruitment agencies have a 50% higher client retention rate than larger agencies. Larger agencies do not have the time to customize things based on the client's requirement, and today's clients' demands have gone over the roof. They want everything tailored, they want everything customized, they want a specific candidate with a specific skill set in a specific way, and larger agencies cannot do that. Why? Because smaller agencies offer personalized, top-notch service, and clients today prefer quality over quantity. They do not want 50 or 100 resumes bombarded in their mailbox. So, this question again, should you start with your own agency? Well, absolutely. If you are passionate, driven, and ready to put in the work, sky is the limit for you. Trust me, guys, I was into a job about 12, 13 years back now. I left the job, got into building my own career and building my own company and my own business, and things have changed. You learn faster, avoid bad habits, and build something that is truly, truly yours. Plus, the satisfaction of growing your own business is simply unmatched. Let me share a real life example with you. Meet Zain, a former recruiter at a large agency. She spent 3 years building someone else's dream, working long hours and earning a fraction of the commission. Frustrated, she decided to start her own agency. Within a year, Jane's agency doubled its revenue and she is now earning 5 times what she made before. Her secret? Specialized, personalized service and leveraging modern recruitment tools, which possibly her larger, bigger recruitment agency was not giving her. According to a 2023 report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, The employment service industry, which includes recruitment agencies, is projected to grow 5% from 2022 to 2032. This means there is a growing demand for recruitment services. But here is the kicker. Small specialized agencies are outpacing larger ones in growth and client satisfaction. That means if the average growth rate is 5%, for smaller agencies it is anywhere between 10 to 20%, because the larger ones are growing at a 2, 3, 4% rate. The recruitment industry is changing. Large agencies are struggling to adapt to the personalized needs of modern clients. You realize this, right? In contrast, small agencies that focus on niche markets and provide tailored services are thriving and doing really well. With no burden of so many paychecks and payables and responsibilities, they are doing really better. This shift is creating a global opportunity and a golden opportunity for all new entrepreneurs to step in and make their mark. Here's another example for you. John, who started his agency with just a laptop and a phone, focused on tech startups needing AI and machine learning specialists. Within 2 years, his agency became the go-to for top tech talent, and he is now considered a leader in the niche market. John's story shows that with the right strategy and dedication, you can achieve incredible success. Now let's look at the numbers. A survey by staffing industry analysts found that the independent recruiters reported a 20% higher job satisfaction rate compared to those working in large agencies, and that's huge. They also reported higher earnings and better work-life balance. So, do you still ask, should you start your own agency? Absolutely. If you are passionate, driven, and ready to put in the work, sky is the limit. I won't say that it's going to be easy for you. Yes, doing a job, getting into a job is relatively a lot easier, because you don't have to do the grind, you do not have to go look for the client, you do not have to bother about the monthly expenses. Rather get a paycheck every single month and you keep going. But the rewards are definitely great with your own agency. You learn faster, avoid bad habits, and build something truly yours. Like I said, plus the satisfaction of growing your own business is truly unmatched. And here's the best part. I'm not here to just motivate you. I'm here to help you succeed. And if you want a complete step-by-step training program on how to build your own recruitment business, you can find the link in the description and get started today. So whether you're starting up or you're somewhere in the middle, stuck figuring out how to grow, how to build up your recruitment business, how to take it to the next level, this training course is for you. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit on the like, subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more insights and tips on building a successful recruitment agency. Let's make your dream a reality. See you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.